Hi there, my name is Kalim, and in this video we are going to discuss about Lucidchart, how we can use Lucidchart. So after login to your Lucid account, you can see on the left hand side there is a new button. You can select, if you are working with Lucidchart, you can select Lucidchart or you can select Lucid Sparks. Also there is visual activity and you can create folder. Also if someone share a document related to Lucidchart or Lucid Sparks, then simply the person who will share a document with you, and with the help of a specific ID you can join the diagram or whatever the diagram is. So I am going to select the blank document. If you will select blank document, then you will be within the Lucidchart and you can see there is a blank document. So I am going to fix the canvas size. My canvas size is infinite canvas. I am going to select a specific, so you can see canvas and page. Here are my units and my background color, and the canvas size is infinite, so I am going to turn it off. And on the right bottom you can zoom in and zoom out with the help of plus and minus sign. So I am going to zoom out and you can see my page right now. So on the top you can see there is a blank document or blank diagram. I am going to name it flowchart. Simply double click on it and you will see that your name is updated. Also after that there is a draft. So if you are working your flowchart, network diagram or organization chart, these are few options. If your project is not complete, you can name it as a draft, and if your project is complete you can complete. And if someone share a document for changes or whatever, you can name these different options. So also you can see there is standard shapes and flowchart shapes and many more shapes, and the bottom you can select more shapes. After selecting more shape, a new pan is selected, and few shapes that we can see on the shapes pan, and you can also select another shapes, data flow, and whatever you want, any kind of shapes in the shape library, then you can select, then use these shapes, or you can close this one. So I am going to move back to these two options. So I am going to first of all going to import option. You can import Visio file, Glyphy, draw.io, Omni-Griffly. These three are web-based tool, and Lucidchart support these 4 types of diagram. So if you are working with Lucidchart, I think you are also familiar with Visio. So I am also familiar with Visio, and I am going to import a Visio file into Lucidchart, and you will see that we are 100% edit our Visio diagram into Lucidchart. So I am going to choose. So my diagram is available on desktop. I am going to open. You can see our Visio diagram is upload, and then hit on import, then it's importing. It will take a little bit time, so wait a bit. So you can view your Visio diagram it's opening. I will suggest you watch this video at the end, and I think you will be able to use Lucidchart as a beginner. If you are not familiar with basic thing, then I will suggest you to watch this video at the end. So our Visio file is opening in Lucidchart. It's taking a little bit time. Now you can see Visio file is uploaded on Lucidchart, and it's asking for how satisfied are you with the Visio import. So you can see, if you want to rename it, then simply you can double click on it, then your text will be selected, and whatever you want to type you can type there. Also, if you want to connect the shape, then you have to simply bring your mouse to the one shape, then you can simply click and drag. So in this video we move forward to, I am going to close this one, create from template. So here are a category of templates in Lucidchart, as well as if you select Lucidsparks, then there are also many types of Lucid templates there. I am going to select Lucidchart, then simply you can select one by one, and you can see there are a lot of templates. So I am going to select a flowchart. It's taking a time. If your internet connection is good, then I think it will take less time as compared to my internet connection is not good. That's why it's taking a little bit time. Wait a minute. So you can see our flowchart is open, and again I am going to the document setting. Also, if you want to work with infinite canvas, then you can work with it, no problem. I am going to close this one. So I am going to zoom out. So we are going to select the shapes. Simply select the shape and place it on the canvas. Then if you want to name it, you can name it flowchart. First of all, I am going to insert the similar types of shapes. Then we will connect these shapes with each another, and we will insert text, or we will change the text color, and we will change shapes color, and then I think you will be able to learn more thing about Lucidchart. So I am going to start with this terminator, and if you want to change text, then simply select, double click on it, then the text will be selected. Then write start, and the second shape is process. Simply select, click and drag, and this one is process, and the third one is decision, and the fourth one is also process, and the fifth one is data. Also I can see here is my data. I'm going to select this one, and again I am going to close my flowchart. So if you want to change the shape, then simply select the shape, and at the top of the shape you can see there is a icon that when you will move your mouse to it, then it appear change shape. Then simply if you want to select any other kind of shape, then simply you will select, then you will see that your shape is converted from this shape to this shape. So the second step is how we can connect these shapes to each other. So my shapes are not in alignment, so I am going to select all of these shapes and then going to arrange, then align object, align middle. Then you can see our shapes are aligned middle, and this one is a little bit on the right side. So if you want to connect these shapes, then simply move your cursor to first shape, then simply select, and you can see how your arrow is moving toward the other shape. Similarly, in this way you can connect your shapes with each another, and this shape to the shape. So if you want to change the color of your lines, then simply I am going to select all lines and going to apply, increase the line width, and here is a line color. You can select all line color to black color. Okay, these shapes are not changed, so I am going to remove the text from these lines. Now you can see the text, the color of the line is black color. So if you want to change the color, then simply select the shape and go to the fill color. So I am going to, here is a pin button. If you will select this, then you can see this fill color is available every time on the canvas. So I am going to select the green color or lighter green. I am going to select this one. So and this color to blue, and this color, this shape has no fill color and only line color is, I am going to apply the line color to this shape to blue and increase the width of the line. And this color is blue, lighter blue, and this is same color, and color is. So if you want to change the text color, I'm going to leave this one, and at the top you can see there is text color. I'm going to select black, white color, and you can bold your text, you can increase the text size, and you can change the text color as well. So I am going to, this color is, you can green color. So you can, after applying the color, you can change the color of the, you can change the fill color dialog box. So if you want to type on the line, then simply double click on it, then a text will be appear. You can click yes, you will apply no, then you can write no. So I am going to select this line, and you can change the back arrowhead. I am going to apply both arrowhead, back arrowhead as well as and arrowhead. So I am going to select this shape, connect this shape to the last shape, and I'm going to little bit down. You can see this line is curve line, and I am going to this line is rounded line, and with 12 point I am going to apply the 0 rounded. Then you will see that there is no round around this shape, and you can change the line style to dotted line, double line, line jump, or whatever. I'm going to dotted line. So it's looking pretty good as compared to the flow chart diagram. In this way you can design your flow chart in Lucidchart. So I am going to share this document. Simply select on share button, then you can individually insert the email address, or you can share your shareable link and simply select this shape, select this shareable link, and you can send this link whatever you want to. And these are some restriction on this flowchart: editable and shareable, and this one is editable comment view. If you will select edit and share, then this flowchart will be edit with someone you are going to share with it. In this way we can use Lucidchart. Thanks for watching.